Hello, welcome to AZ Master. In this video, I will tell you how to close Android Studio or delete Android Studio projects. If you have many projects in the Android Studio, you can easily delete it. So we have to go in Android Studio. Then here is my project. I will click on it. And this. Now we have to press on close project. Now it's closed, you can see my two projects. Now I will press on the one I have created. Now go show in Explorer. Now you can see the project here. Now you will go back to this store. Now click, right click, then remove from recent projects, okay? Remove. Now I'm in my disk. Now you can see this one is here. I will right click, then delete. It's completed. Now you can see I will open Android Studio again. The old ones are deleted. I'm here. This is the only one projected. So this is the easiest shortcut. So if you like more videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks.